Hi, Alex from Summerhill. We just wanted to make a personal video regarding some important changes that we're making to our Summerhill Invest digital investment solution so that you can better understand why we're making the changes and some options in terms of next steps for you and your investment portfolio. The outsourced investment manager named Clover that we partnered with for our Summerhill Invest offering has been taken over by another firm by the name of Summerhill. We've been in discussions with Clover and the new firm during the transition and believe their solution no longer suits our clients as they've been bought by a firm focused on retirement and age pension planning. When we originally set up the Summerhill Invest digital advice offering, we reviewed and were in discussions with several investment managers, in particular a firm by the name of SixPark, who was our second choice at the time, but at that stage just did not have the level of functionality and investment options that we were looking for, as well as having higher minimum account balances to set up an account. Since that time, the SixPark team have introduced the functionality that we want to offer our clients, such as socially responsible investments, lower minimums to set up accounts, and we feel they're focused on longer term on continuing to develop their digital investment solution, with the CEO being passionate about digital advice, as are we. We have talked about their future plans for development, as well as their commitment to digital investment solutions, and believe they are the right partner going forward. Given our decision to change the outsourced investment manager from Clover to SixPark, this will mean that if you wish to continue with Summerhill Invest, it will involve selling your existing Summerhill Invest portfolio and setting up a new Summerhill Invest account, which will be powered and managed by SixPark. Attached to this email, you'll find your statement of advice, which outlines the specific recommendations for the change, comparison of your existing investment portfolio versus the proposed, and benefits and considerations to be aware of so that you can make an informed decision about whether you'd like to change your investment portfolio. There are a number of additional benefits that you'll receive under the new investment offering. We won't go into all of them in this video, but some noteworthy changes that you can expect are lower fees for investment balances above $14,000. All share trading costs are covered by the SixPark management fee, which was not the case under the existing arrangement. More flexibility with managing cash in your portfolio. You're able to adjust the limit before cash holdings automatically invest. And more robust investment team and a larger team in general, which we believe will provide better investment outcomes and higher levels of customer service to our clients. And the ability to change portfolios and your investment mix in a far easier manner and set up multiple portfolios for different goals and objectives you might have. You'll receive these benefits in addition to the benefits you are already receiving under the existing arrangement, such as access to a low-cost, passive-first, professionally managed investment portfolio, using low-cost exchange-traded funds, which aim to maximize the after-fee returns. All underlying investments and fees are fully transparent, and it is diversified across asset classes and within asset classes. Portfolio reviews, but with the benefit of automatic rebalancing. All administration is handled in a central location to reduce paperwork, and you'll have consolidated online tax reports from one source, not from individual funds and companies. The portfolio can be set up online and you can view your account online at any time, and you have the flexibility to add and make withdrawals from the portfolio at any stage when and if needed. There are no fees to sell your existing portfolio and set up a new investment account. However, there are two main considerations to be aware of if you decide to sell your existing Summerhill Invest portfolio and open up a new Summerhill account powered by SixPark. That being capital gains tax considerations on selling your existing portfolio and being out of the market as you sell your existing portfolio and set up your new investment account. The enclosed statement of advice outlines the expected capital gains tax implications if you do decide to sell your existing Summerhill Invest portfolio, We recommend that you discuss this with your taxation advisor before making any decisions to change, should you have any queries. It is important to be aware that if you do decide to sell your existing Summerhill Invest portfolio and open a new Summerhill Invest account, there will be a period where you'll be out of the market while investments are sold in your existing account and purchased in the new Summerhill Invest account. Markets are still experiencing a heightened level of daily volatility, and while this could work in your favour if markets reduce, there is the potential markets may increase during the period that you are transitioning to your new portfolio, resulting in you missing out on that market increase. As mentioned, there are no fees to sell your existing portfolio and set up your new investment account, and you'll no longer incur the Summerhill Invest fee applied to your portfolio, which results in lower fees for our clients with balances above $14,000. We believe the real value that we provide is in financial strategy advice, coaching and education, and the value Six Park adds is investment selection and management, which is why we feel the new partnership is going to provide our clients with the best outcome. Summerhill will not receive client fees for the investments managed by Six Park, as all investment advice and ongoing investment service is provided by the Six Park team. However, Summerhill will participate in what's called a revenue sharing arrangement with Six Park, which basically means that we will be entitled to a portion of the revenue generated by the Six Park investment management fees for our clients on the Summerhill Invest investment platform. It's important to understand that this revenue sharing arrangement does not increase the fees you are paying. You would incur the same fees if you went direct to Six Park, and the offering is still lower for balances over $14,000. The additional benefits you receive from setting up your portfolio via Summerhill Invest platform rather than going direct to Six Park are that you will receive free premium access to our online My Summerhill community. As financial education and well-being are important to us, we launched the My Summerhill community earlier in the year, which is an online educational community designed to help people build their knowledge and confidence with money and investing. The My Summerhill community includes regular updates on markets and topics of interest through various forms like articles, posts, videos, presentations and podcasts, plus tools, how-to guides, guest interviews, as well as an Ask Alex feature to answer general questions that are of interest to the community. Also, as a Summerhill Invest client, we will continue to regularly review the investment management service and recommend changes to that service, as we've done in this instance with the change from Clover to Six Park, if we believe a more appropriate investment solution is available. While we certainly don't foresee making any changes to working with Six Park, given both businesses have shared visions and aligned values, technology is constantly changing and improving, and we continually want to reduce the total investment fees for our clients and be at the forefront when it comes to financial advice in Australia. So we will continue to review the investment management service for our Summerhill Invest digital advice offering. So, next steps from here. Of course, you can decide to keep your existing investment portfolio, but this will mean that you're no longer working with us at Summerhill, and all future queries regarding your portfolio would need to be directed to Clover and SuperEd. However, if you would like to continue with Summerhill and set up your new Summerhill Invest portfolio powered by Six Park, the next steps are read the enclosed statement of advice, which outlines our specific recommendations to convert your portfolio, and then action the steps outlined in the implementation section of the statement of advice. Given this is an online advice offering, much of the implementation steps must be done by you. However, everything can be easily actioned online by following those implementation steps. Of course, if you have any queries or questions, please contact us directly and we'd be more than happy to help and discuss. Thanks.